Hello everyone, my name is Professor Leanna DeLuca Johnson, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a circle using a Wacom Cintiq and the application Sketchbook. Now you don't have to have a Wacom Cintiq. They are great tools to use. You can also use an iPad and a digital pencil or pen or other tablets because this application Sketchbook is also available on the iPad. So if you can see here that it's the icon looks like a pencil. So we click on that, and it opens up this beautiful canvas, nice bright white space, and you have a lot of space to draw on. You have the background layer over here on the right. There's the layers tool. We have the background layer and then layer 1. You can use your pen to select in the center and essentially select whatever layer tool you want to use. We can make a new layer here by pressing add layer. At the top you have more tools that are used, for colors, for shapes, perspective. There's a lot of wonderful tools up here. Today we're going to focus on this tool right here, which is called the predictive stroke tool. And it's a magical tool. You're going to see. You're going to love it. And over here on the left, we have the brush library. All the tools that are available, brushes that are available, they come with Sketchbook. You don't have to download them. Click on these two rectangle bars, opens up the brush library, and you can see even more tools that you can select, all the way from a customized set that you can make, colorless, pastels, artist brushes. It's just really awesome. At the top, I'm going to select the ballpoint pen. Very simple tool. Double click on that and it opens up the brush properties on the right. And you can see here that I can increase the size of the pen, I can decrease it, I can also change the opacity, which is the lightness and darkness of the pen. For this exercise, I want it at 100%. And then I'm going to reduce this down to about 2.5. You can adjust it even more with the arrows. So let's start with 2.5 and the opacity at 100. Close out that window as well as the brush library. To start, I'm just going to start drawing circles without use of any type of tools at the top. And you can just warm up, and I like to use my whole arm for circles because you want to get the shape, and it's a lot easier to draw versus just drawing with your wrist. Now those aren't bad. They're not too bad. I have been warming up doing this video. But let's try it with the magic tool over here of a predictive stroke. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that layer, create a new layer, and use the predictive stroke tool. Now over here you have a very tiny little slider where you can decrease the number or increase the number. So the higher the number, the better it's going to recognize the shape. So I'm going to leave it at 5 for right now and then start drawing a circle. So let's see. That's pretty good. And that's pretty good. Let me see if I can try to connect the circle. And look at that, a perfect circle. It's like magic. I love it. It's a little bit like cheating, so you should practice your circles freehand. And then if you're really, rushing for a design presentation or whatnot, you can use this tool to help you draw circles. And the more you see better circles, the better you're just going to become. The more practice, the better artist you will be, better sketchers. So thank you so much for joining me on this tutorial with circles. Have a great evening.